Hello viewers, welcome to watchsunday.pk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review one of Casio new giant watch. It's a pretty attractive watch with attractive dial, analog digital combination. As you can see the dial, it's pretty attractive. The detail on the dial and the model is AMW-880-1AV. It's a new Casio watch released in 2022. It's in a black resin strap. The quality of the strap is pretty good. And it's a black dial. As you can see, there are a lot of detail on the dial. 10-year battery, illuminator, Casio water resist 50 mAh, and the digital time and the analog time. And there are two buttons on the left, two buttons on the right. And the back side of the dial, Casio WR, wall time, countdown timer, 3 alarm, stainless steel back, Japan moment, water resistant. So viewers, it's one of our favorite watch. It's a pretty attractive, looks good on the hand, and in this video we are going to check all the features and function of the watch. Also we will check the weight, the dial diameter. We will try this watch on the wrist, and also we will let you know from where you can order this watch. So let's check the functions available in this watch. So there are two buttons on the left, two on the right. So with this button, the mode button on the left, you can toggle between different digital functions. So right now we can see the time. So telememo option is present in this watch, and also the world time, different cities time. Right now it's showing Berlin time. So with this button, search, we can toggle between different cities time. Right now it's Cairo, Jerusalem, Jeddah, Moscow, Tehran, DXB Dubai, Kabul, Karachi, Delhi, DAC, Dhaka, so BKKH, GK, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Adelaide, Sydney, Norway, Wellington, Papua New Guinea, and Honolulu. So there are Luxembourg, Denmark. So more than 50 cities time is present in this watch. So the telememo, wall time, and alarm. There are 3 alarm. Timer, you can set the countdown timer. Stopwatch. So stopwatch and time. So these are all the digital functions available in this watch. So if you want to adjust the time, so just press and hold this one, and then you can toggle between different settings. 987, so this will increase, this will decrease. 11, 12, 1, and with this you can change the minutes. If you press and hold, so it will change automatically. And also the year, date, time and date settings. Right now it's 2022, and the 8 is the month, August 26 is the date. So you can change, of course, you can change with these two buttons, increase or decrease. So these are the settings. So with the adjust button, you can go to the setting mode. Just press it, hold it. With this, you can toggle between different settings, like you want to change the hours or minutes or the year or the month or the date. And with these two buttons, you can change the date and do further adjustments. And also telememo, wall time, alarm. Same as like if you want to set the alarm, you need to press this adjust button, press and hold, and then basically, for example, you want to set an alarm of 9, so 9:30, so you need to press it again. The minutes, just press and hold, it will change, and then you can release it. 9:30, so 9:30, so we have set the alarm to 9:30. In the same way, you can adjust the timer and the stopwatch. So all these functions you can set. It's pretty easy to adjust the functions, different functions available in this watch. So this is pretty attractive watch, a pretty handy watch. Also, there's a illuminator functions available on this watch. This button on the right, you can see the time at night with this illuminator button. So let's try this watch on the wrist. So viewers, it looks pretty attractive on the wrist. The dial is a very decent futuristic dial, and also the resin strap. The quality of the resin strap is pretty good. The resin strap quality is pretty good, and the dial is very attractive. So viewers, let's check the weight of this watch in gram. So viewers, the weight of AMW-880-1AV Casio analog digital combination watch with wall time series is 93.7 gram is the total weight of this watch. So viewers, will check the diameter of the dial in a millimeter. The round dial, it's 43.7. 43.7 is the diameter of the round dial, and the thickness is around 12.1 mm is the thickness of this watch. So viewers, you can order this watch AMW-880-1AV in Pakistan from our online watches store watchcenter.pk. Cash on delivery is available in Pakistan, and you will receive your watch within 3 to 5 working days. Also, you can message us to inquire about this watch or any other Casio watch by sending us a message on our WhatsApp number 0310-2233-484. And for international customers, we have given link in the description. Please click on the link to order this watch online. And viewers, please subscribe to our channel watchcenter.pk to get notification of the new Casio watches video reviews and other deals and promotion. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching.